Greetings everyone, my name is Dia Gurung
And I'm Shrisha Ponto.
and we are from grade 10. Today, we'll be discussing about blood and its main components. Blood is a connective tissue in our circulatory system which helps transport oxygens, nutrients and hormones to all parts of our body and return waste to its excretory organs. Blood has two main components, which is plasma and blood corpuscles.
Plasma is a pale yellowish fluid that makes up 55% of the blood. It consists of 90% of water and 10% of solids. Blood corpuscles are the living cells found in the blood. There are three types of blood cells. They are red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Together they make up 45% of the blood. Today we are going to separate these main two components and show them to you. Now we are going to draw blood and we have our teachers here for assistance.
Now we're going to centrifuge this blood sample. Blood separation is the dividing of the whole blood into its various components. Whole blood is isolated into plasma and blood corpuscles for therapeutic and diagnostic reasons, including research and scientific studies.
Blood separation is usually done through a centrifugation machine. A centrifugation machine has the capacity to spin at a high speed, exerting a centripetal force that separates the blood into plasma and blood corpuscles. As you can see, in the test tube, there have been distinct layers that have been formed. The bottommost layer is of blood corpuscle and it has a higher density, that's why it has settled below. And the topmost layer is of plasma and it has a lower density than the blood corpuscles, so that is why it has settled above the blood corpuscles. So this is how we have separated the components of the blood.
Thank you.